Hello everyone, this is Manish Yadav, your English teacher, and today we'll start the next part of the chapter in which we were going on the right track. The right track. We have been studying and explaining this chapter for 2 days. In this lecture video, we'll cover page number 34, first paragraph. Page number 34, first paragraph onwards. Okay, let's you know the explanation. Till now, we have been discussing about the paddler. He went by taking the side of road and arrived at a cottage. It was a great cottage. The cottage was owned by an old crafter who lived alone over there. He had no wife, neither he had wife nor any child. He lives there alone. When Paddler knocked the door to ask for shelter that night, he did not meet a sober face over there. The old man seemed to be happy enough to see a stranger, somebody to stay with him and to talk with him. Old man welcomed him, harboring with porridge, tobacco, and they played a game which is known as Mesolis with the help of cards. Thereafter, both went to bed. In this lecture video, we'll start from where we left further. The next day, both men got up in good season. You need to go through the textbook. Okay, you have to go through the textbook of yours because it's a videoing lecture. I'll only explain the episodes line by line. Now, the next day, next morning, both men woke up in good season. What is the meaning of good season? Good season means early in the morning. The time is known as 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock. This time is known as good season. Bhor mein jagna. It's also beneficial for okay. Sorry for the disturbance. It was due to network congestion. Network congestion causes lots of disturbance nowadays during online classes. But we have to be optimistic, looking forward to working with each other and cooperating one another. We have to go through positive optimism. Okay, now we'll talk about the day when both men woke up early in the morning. The crafter was in a hurry to milk his cow. The crafter, the old man, was in haste to get milk from his cow. As you know, that he had only a support, which was a cow, which kept giving him milk, and he used to sell the milk in the market. And by selling the milk in the market, he used to earn money for his livelihood. So he was in haste to milk his cow, and the other man probably thought he should not stay in bed when the head of the house had gotten up. Other man. Who was other man? He was a stranger, rat trap seller. He thought that it has better to wake up now because the head, the owner of house has already gotten up. जो मालिक है घर का वो पहले से ही जग चुका है. So obviously, commonly we can be mature enough to think logically if the owner of house has gone outside for a reason. So it is better for us to wake up and go outside along with him or somewhere else. But it has not better to stay in the bed. बेड में ही रहना ये अच्छी बात नहीं है. कहीं ना कहीं ये दिखाता है कि आप केयरलेस हैं, आप पंक्चुअल नहीं हैं, आप रिस्पेक्टफुल नहीं हैं. अब now they left the cottage at the same time. Both men, the owner of the house, who was an old crofter as you already know, both men woke up and left the house at the same time. एक ही साथ दोनों आदमी वो अपनी गाय के पास चला गया मिल्क लेने के लिए, मिल्क निकालने के लिए. और जो पैडलर था ये कहाँ जाता है? अपने घर के तरफ. Because he was a stranger, he used to wander here and there. He has no shelter of his own. He has nothing to eat of his own. He was only a wanderer. वो सिर्फ इधर उधर टहलता रहता था. If he has arranged the food for morning, he has to be worried about the food of supper or evening, you can say. Now, the crafter locked the door and put the key in his pocket. The moment when the crafter, the old man, the owner of house, left the home, he locked the door with padlock and kept the key in his pocket. उसने पॉकेट में अपनी की को रख लिया. Now the man with the rat traps said goodbye to the crofter, and thereupon each went his own way. वहां से both men went to their own way. The old man went for you can say getting milk, and the peddler went from there to his own way. वो अपने रास्ते को निकल लेता है. Next, but half an hour later, the rat trap peddler stood again before the door. आधे घंटे बाद the rat trap seller stood again before the door of old man. उस आदमी के दरवाजे पर, उस ओल्ड मैन के दरवाजे पर फिर से वो जो पैडलर होता है, जो स्ट्रेंजर होता है, आधे घंटे बाद फिर से आ जाता है. Why does he come? वो क्यों आता है? He comes to steal the money what he saw in the leather pouch hanging by the window. विंडो के पास जो लेदर पाउच में जो 30 क्रोनोर टंगे हुए थे, उस पैसे की लालच ने उसको फिर से बुला लिया था उसको. And he came back at the door. वो दरवाजे पर फिर आया. What did he do? उसने फिर क्या किया? He did not try to get in. उसने कोशिश नहीं करी अंदर जाने की. Means he did not break into the house. वो घर में जबरदस्ती नहीं जाता है, चोरी नहीं करता है. चोरी का मतलब जबरदस्ती करना दरवाजे. चोरी तो करता ही है. He did stealing. उसने चोरी किया, but he did not break into house. उसने दरवाजे से जबरदस्ती एंट्री नहीं लिया. किया क्या? However, he only went up to the window, smashed a pan stuck in his hand. Smashed a pan. He went by the window. वो विंडो के पास जाता है. Smash means break, तोड़ना. उसने तोड़ा. A pan of window, एक पैन जो होता है, एक शीशे का जो हिस्सा होता है, वो पैन. Means there are so many pans framed in a window. विंडो में बहुत सारे पैन लगे होते हैं, जैसे जैसे बॉक्स दिखाई देता है आपको, ठीक है, इस तरह की नीचे होती है ना, ऐसे. तो ये एक पैन तोड़ता है, और एक पैन तोड़ने के बाद he took the leather pouch in his hand. उसने लेदर पाउच को बाहर निकाला, and he took the money and thrust it into his own pocket. उसने लेदर पाउच से मनी को निकाला, पैसे को निकाला, एंड केप्ट द मनी, 3 wrinkled notes, bills in his own pocket. अपने खुद के पॉकेट में वो सारा का सारा पैसा रख लेता है. Now then he hung the leather pouch very carefully back in the place and went away. Thereafter he hung the pouch, leather pouch, on the same place where it was already and went away from there. Very carefully, very smartly, बहुत ही स्मार्ट तरीके से उसने पैसे को लिया और वहां से फिर लेदर पाउच को अंदर हैंग किया where it was already, जहां पे वो विंडो पे टंगा हुआ था, and thereafter he went from there, वहां से वो चला गया. मतलब अब तक 2 पैराग्राफ में आपने पढ़ा कि दोनों आदमी एक सही समय पे अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग दे वोक अप, वो जगते हैं, बोथ वेट फॉर देयर ओन वर्क. द मैन ऑफ हाउस मींस ओनर ऑफ द हाउस वेंट टू मिल्क हिज काउ एंड पैडलर वेंट टू हिज ओन वे. But half an hour later the paddler was standing at the same door again, but he did not break into the house. He went by the window, smashed or break a pane of window. He took the leather and collected the money, that was 30 kroner. He kept the money in his own pocket. Again he kept or hanged the pouch by the window and went away from there very carefully. वो बहुत ही आसानी से वहां से निकल गया. नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. As he walked, जैसे ही वो चलता रहा, ठीक है, as he walked, जैसे ही वहां से चला, along with the money in his pocket, he felt quite pleased with his smartness. Now what a time he had, कितना अच्छा समय है उसके पास. That smartly he had owned 30 crore without any struggle. बिना किसी मेहनत के उसने 30 crore उस दिन इकट्ठा कर लिए थे. बहुत ही स्मार्ट काम था, बहुत ही अच्छा काम किया था उसने. As per the contemplation of the paddler, पैडलर के माध्यम से ये उसको बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा था, पैडलर की थिंकिंग में, कि मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम, कितना स्मार्ट, हाउ स्मार्ट आई एम, दैट आई स्टोल द मनी विदाउट बीइंग नोटिस्ड. किसी ने मुझे नोटिस भी नहीं किया तो मैंने 30 करोड़ यूं झटके में उड़ा लिए. अब ही रियलाइज्ड, उसको रियलाइज होता है, क्या रियलाइज होता है? ऑफ कोर्स दैट एट फर्स्ट ही डेयर्ड नॉट टू कंटिन्यू ऑन पब्लिक हाईवे. ही स्टोल द मनी, he had robbed the money. उसने किसी के घर में जबरदस्ती विंडो से पैसे रॉब किए थे, लूटे थे. So he daren't to go through public highway. वो पब्लिक हाईवे के तरफ से जाने की कोशिश नहीं करता है. ऐसा क्यों? Because he will be arrested. उसको अरेस्ट किया जा सकता था, इसलिए वो पब्लिक हाईवे से नहीं जाता है. जाहिर सी बात है, जब चोर चोरी करता है तो वो पब्लिक के बीच नहीं जाना चाहता है. He wants to stay alone at exotic places. वो बहुत ही शांति, साइलेंट, बहुत ही शांत जगहों पे रहना चाहता है जहां पे लोग ना हो, ताकि उसकी चोरी पकड़ी ना जाए. अब आगे क्या होता है? But must turn off the road. He decided to turn off the road, take a turn. वो टर्न वहां से लेता है into the woods, जंगल के रास्ते से. हाईवे से न जाकर के वो जंगल के रास्ते से होकर जाने की डिसीजन लेता है, निर्णय लेता है. Now during first hours this caused him no difficulty. When he took a turn from highway towards foot, it did not cause him difficulty for a few minutes or hour, you can say. कुछ घंटे तो आसानी से वहां से चलता रहा, कोई समस्या नहीं थी उसको. But later in the day, बाद में क्या हुआ? First hours it became worse, for it was a big and confusing forest which he had gotten into. Later in the day, दिन में क्या हुआ बाद में? It became worse for the paddler. He began to face difficulties in the jungle. वो जंगल में धीरे धीरे डिफिकल्टीज को फेस करता है. He began to see darkness and he was confused in the forest because it was big, vast, extended area of jungle. जंगल का बहुत ही विशाल फैलाव था, कंफ्यूजिंग थिकेट्स, बहुत ही घने जंगल थे, बहुत ही वास्ट एक्सपेंशन था उसका, बहुत ही लंबा चौड़ा था. सो ही गॉट कंफ्यूज्ड ओवर देयर. वो पूरी तरह से कंफ्यूज हो जाता है. एंड ही कुड नॉट फाइंड अ वे टू एस्केप फ्रॉम द फॉरेस्ट. जंगल से बाहर निकलने का कोई रास्ता नहीं निकाल पाता. He had been wandering on the same path to walk in a definite direction, but the path twisted back and forth so strangely. लेकिन जो path था, जो रास्ता था, twisted back means he had been wandering on the same path, however coming back to the origin where he started his journey from. जहां से वो अपनी यात्रा को शुरू किया था, जिस पॉइंट से वो चला था, फिर वही ट्विस्टेड बैक हो जाता था, वापस फिर वहीं पे टहल के चला आता था. सो बाय वॉकिंग हियर एंड देयर ही स्पेंट ऑल द डे. उसने पूरा दिन बिता दिया. ही कुड नॉट एस्केप फ्रॉम देयर. जंगल से बाहर नहीं निकल पाता है. आगे क्या होता है? He walked and walked without coming to an end. He kept walking. He had been walking for many hours. वो कई घंटे से चलता रहा. Without coming to an end, but he could not come outside, out of the jungle. वो बाहर नहीं आ सका. Still he was in the jungle. वो अभी भी जंगल में ही टहल रहा था, जंगल में घूम रहा था. वो कोशिश कर रहा था कि जंगल से बाहर आ जाए, लेकिन वो बाहर नहीं आ सका. Now he had only been walking around in the same part of the forest. As I told you that he had been walking around the same part of the forest. He kept walking on the same forest. वो जंगल के एक ही भाग पर लगातार टहलता रहा, घूमता रहा. All at once he realized his thoughts about the world and the rat trap. The thought which he had at the time of his journey, when he started his journey of that day, when he went out from his shelter wherever he was staying, he stuck with this thought that this whole world is just like a rat trap and all the human beings are rats. So he stuck with his thought again when he was in the jungle. जब वो जंगल में था तो फिर से उसके दिमाग में वही विचार आते हैं, वही थॉट्स आते हैं. क्या आते हैं? That now his own turn had come. उसने क्या इसके पहले बताया था? That most of the people have stuck with themselves and a few of them are still wandering around to be stuck. अभी भी कुछ लोग उसमें से आसपास टहल रहे हैं. किसकी तलाश में? Only in order to have breads. चारा लेने के लिए, लालच के लिए. अब ये उसका समय आ गया है. Because he finds himself in a jungle. वो अपने आप को जंगल में पाता है. After a few moments, maybe wild animals will be coming and they will be attacking at the paddler. वो paddler पे attack कर सकते थे. They could kill him. वो उसको मार सकते थे. तो उसको ऐसा ही लगता है कि now this is his own turn had come. अब ये उसका समय आ गया है. He had let himself be fooled by a bat and had been caught. What is that bat? 30 kroner, which he stole from the old crofter's cottages. जो वो 30 kroner old crofter के कोटेज से चुराया था, कहीं ना कहीं वही उसके लिए बेट साबित हो गया था और उसकी लालच में वो अपने आप को जंगल में फंसा लिया था. ठीक है, वो जंगल बिल्कुल एक रैट ट्रैप था. ठीक है, जिसमें 30 करोड़ की लालच उसको उस जंगल में बुरी तरह से चपेट लेती है. Now, the whole forest with its trunks and branches. ये जो पूरा जंगल है with its trunks, तो इसका स्टीम है, branches डालियां हैं, bugs हैं, प्रतान है, टहलियां हैं. ये सारी टहनियां, thickets, घनापन जो है, fallen logs, गिरी हुई जो पत्तियां हैं, closed in upon him like an impenetrable prison from which he could not or never escape. Impenetrable. A word has come in this line. Um, impenetrable. What is the meaning of impenetrable? Means unbreakable, perpetual you can say, inevitable, जिसको बदला ना जा सके, जिसको टाला ना जा सके, जिसको तोड़ा ना जा सके, मजबूत। ऐसी प्रिजन के समान ये पूरा जंगल मुझे लग रहा है, एंड आई थिंक आई कैन नेवर एस्केप फ्रॉम दिस पार्ट। और मुझे लगता है कि मैं इस घने जंगल से कभी बाहर नहीं निकल सकूंगा। अब इट वॉज लेट इन दिसंबर, दिसंबर का महीना था। लेट दिसंबर मीन्स लास्ट वीक ऑफ द मंथ। Darkness was already descending over the forest. Descending means बढ़ना, forward, moving forward, आगे घेरना। अंधेरा धीरे धीरे हो रहा था, बढ़ रहा था। This increased the danger, and it was increasing danger in the forest. You know, in the darkness, wild animals come outside for wandering, and they could kill, they could attack the battle. And increased also his gloom and despair. He was also being frustrated, hopeless, and you can say dejected. बहुत ही घबराया हुआ सा महसूस कर रहा था, बहुत ही दुखी महसूस कर रहा था, निराश महसूस कर रहा था। He saw no way out. He could not escape from the jungle finally. Eventually, he thought that this is the time of my end, and I could not escape from these thickets, fallen logs, this jungle. This jungle has to be proved out as a rat trap for me. Now, tired to death, thinking that his last moment had come. Now he was exhausted, energyless. He had no drop of energy. And finally, he thought that the end of my life has come. अब जो आखिरी समय है मेरे जीवन का वो आ चुका है. Now it's time to be dead. But just as he laid on his head on the ground, he heard the sound of hard regular thumping. But when he was pasteurizing, when he was fishing downwards on the surface of earth, he could hear the thumping sound. जैसे ही वो पृथ्वी पर गिरता है, he could sense, he could feel the thumping sound. थप थप या ढंढन की आवाज उसको सुनाई दी. There was no doubt as what that regular thumping. He raised himself. Those are the hammer of strokers for an iron mill. Up. There was no doubt that the sound which he heard was coming from an iron mill. वो एक लोहे की खदान से आ रहा था और लोहे पर टकराने की आवाज. It seems that somebody was hammering on the iron. कोई आयरन पे हैमरिंग कर रहा था, हथौड़ा मार रहा था. Definitely men would be there. तो वास्तविक है कि वहां पे आदमी होंगे. Those are the hammer strokes are and he thought there must be people nearby, and he summoned all his strength, got up and staggered in the direction of the sound. Now he mustered up all his courage. He hardly staggered himself from there towards the sound. जहां से आवाज आ रही थी उस तरफ वो अपने आप को धीरे धीरे स्टैगर करते हुए, घसीटते हुए किसी तरह ले जाता है, क्योंकि उसके पास एनर्जी बहुत ही थोड़ी सी बची हुई थी. It seems that he is about to die. वो मरने ही वाला था, लेकिन जैसे ही उसको उम्मीद मिलती है कि आदमी होंगे तो उस तरफ वो अपने आप को खींचने की कोशिश करता है. That's it. In today's lecture, we'll explain further in the next lecture. Have a nice day, everyone.